Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So we are on week 2, which is the final week in May. We are going to be doing our paycheck number 2, and I haven't done it in a while because let's just say that my paychecks have not been so good. This paycheck is actually pretty good, but a lot of it, or let's just say pretty much all of it, did go towards bills because I just did not want to use my savings account like I've been doing to pay my bills while I'm in school. And also, if you hear anything in the noise, we have a very bad rainstorm coming in right now that came out of nowhere. I have 2 of my dogs in the living room. They're just tapping their feet away. So bear with me, you guys. The rain is pouring. I do love the sound of the rain. I don't know if y'all do some like little sound effects or something like that. But anyway, so let's just get right into it. We're going to be doing our bills. We're going to be stuffing our cash envelopes, which are only going to be 1. And we are also going to be doing the sinking funds, which I don't have a lot of sinking funds, but I did do a pretty good bit of side hustles, it was pretty exciting. All right, so paycheck number 2, we did $1,100, and literally all of that went to bills, you guys. I'm not even kidding. So side hustles, I do have my little cheat sheet. So we did do a Etsy order for $7, which that is going to be going straight back into the KK's Thrifty Designs. That's going to go straight back into that envelope. And I won't be taking any taxes out of that because I'm pretty sure I will not be reaching like $2,000 or whatever the bracket is to pay for taxes or something like that. So definitely not going to save for taxes for that. DoorDash, I did make $21, which is not a lot. It's only one day. It's very hard to do DoorDash on top of school and all that stuff, but $21, it's still not bad, but we are going to be putting $4 in taxes. And then I did sell one of my egg rolls, we didn't really promote our egg rolls. If people asked for it, I just gave it to them. So we did sell one of them, so that was $10. And Jared did give me $100 for the wedding. So that was 7 plus 21 plus 10. So that is $38 of side hustles that we made. Alright, so going on to bills. Now, our house is $926 divided by 2. So that is $463 that we have to put back, which I have to. I did go ahead and pay for that. Car note was $498. I paid for that. Phone was $35. Loan I did not use. Credit was, I think I put 75 plus 28. I put $103 towards that. Light bill was $30. Internet and gym, we do not do that. I did go ahead and pay for the credit and the light. So let's go ahead and add that up. 463 plus 498. Plus 35, and I also did have some extra money left over from the last paycheck. So whatever's on that. So $1,129. So that is $1,100. That's what, $29 over, which I did have about, I think I want to say I had $63 left over from the past 2 weeks. So that's fine. I'm not going to be in the negative or anything like that. I do have $100 that I do need to transfer into my savings account or my checking account because I did have to use my special occasion sinking funds because I did have to go ahead and buy my bridesmaid's dress. So I went ahead and did that. I will deposit that money. So I'll probably split it. Probably split half to savings and half to checking account just in case I need something like that. So we are going to go ahead and do our cash envelope real quick because it is going to be super simple. So the only thing that technically I'm going to be stuffing is gas. Jared did give me $60 in gas because just so I can go to clinicals and whatnot. But I have $10, $15, $20, and $21 left in gas. And then in groceries, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I'm going to put $10, 20, 25, and 30. So $30 is actually going to be going towards groceries because I will need to be getting some kind of snacks, some more snacks, probably for clinicals and everything in the upcoming weeks. So I'm going to try not to stuff this as much and try to just live off of $30, which is going to be really hard. And then this dollars is just going to go towards our 52-week challenge. So like I said, Jared did give me $60 for gas, and whatever I have left over, I'm probably either going to give it to him, or I'll just ask him if I can put it towards the wedding in 2 weeks, whatever I don't spend. But I feel like I am going to spend most of this because of clinicals and going to work still and going to school. So it's all in like opposite directions. Like one was across the bay, the other one's like closer to the beach. School's like in the opposite directions of the beach. So it's a lot. So hopefully, fingers crossed, that I can save up money and everything, not do anything besides door dashing. All right, so we are going to go ahead. We have the KK's fun, I believe. We are going to do our YouTube taxes first, so let's go ahead and just stuff $4. So that is going to be going towards YouTube/DoorDash. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm just going to count how much we have. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, and 85. So $85 towards taxes. And then the other envelopes I have is debt and YouTube channel, which I have not spent anything for YouTube channel, which I'm kind of debating on like just putting this somewhere else. So what do y'all think? Because I'm not going to be buying anything soon for YouTube, but who knows? Or if y'all have anything that is $110 that I can use to boost up my YouTube channel, let me know for that, because I would totally appreciate it. All right, so and then this one is our KK Designs, and we are going to be putting $7 in there. So it's 5, 6, and 7. Now I rarely get these envelopes out. Like, you never see these envelopes. Literally, I don't usually stuff the other side, the Etsy business. I usually don't stuff that because we don't really get orders. And then I don't stuff these 3 unless I get a YouTube paycheck, and that's when I will stuff those. And in the meantime, they just stay in a box. All right, so let's go ahead and do our sinking funds real quick. It's going to be super short, simple, and to the point. So I have 2, 40, 60, 81. So $100 is definitely going towards wedding. But we also have 20, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So I definitely can put $3. So let's just break it down all together. So I can definitely put $1 in Dobby, vacation, and home. Renewal is probably most likely not going to be getting anything because we already fully funded that. Let's see. So I have 20 and a 5. So let's go ahead and put $5 towards Christmas. Special occasion, I don't really need anything except for I think I need shoes and makeup. So I have to figure that out. So I probably won't put $5. Let's do $3. Special occasion can get $1. And then I did forget beauty once again, because like I said, I did make this last year when I was bored at work one day. So let's just do $1. So that'll be 3, 4, 5. So it's $5. So I will have to break that, which we can go ahead and do that before I get too in depth with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm just going to do that, and that came from car maintenance. All right, so then I have a $20 that I could break. So let's see. So we can do 5, 10, 15, 20. So that can work. So we'll do wedding is going to get 105. Medical will get 5. Car will get 5. And college will get 5. So then wedding will get 105. Perfect, you guys. So that is pretty much how I do it. I do have an opposite little notebook that I use to break everything down, and then I just read off of that. But it's kind of fun, like showing y'all the way I think and how I break everything down and where all my money goes. So if you want a fully breakdown, when I have actually a good paycheck, a full breakdown of how I do it, then we can do it step by step in one video. That is up to you guys. All right, so let's go ahead and stuff this. So we are going to keep wedding last as always. We are going to be doing medical. So medical will be getting $5. I do have to break this down. So let's see if I have money to break this down. Nope. So I think wedding actually has stuff that I can break down. Yeah. So we're going to do $5. Let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, and it sounds like that the rain has stopped now, which is great. $40, 60, 65. Okay, so let's do $5. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, and 77. So medical is $77. That is good. I do have a feeling, I think I tried to say that in the video earlier, but I was trying to break the money down also. Car maintenance is going to be getting $5 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. One, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, and 79. 79, 1, 2, and 3. 379. I do have an oil change that I'm probably going to have to get sometime in July, most likely. Special occasion is going to be getting $1. Now this did go down a little bit. So 20, 40, 60, 80, and 81. I want to say our makeup is, or our hair is like $70. And I think with makeup it's like $120 or something, which I don't think I'm going to be doing makeup. I know for sure I'm going to be doing hair. So I just need to get a final count on that. Christmas is going to be getting $3. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, and 86. So $86 for Christmas. College is going to be getting $5. So college is going to be getting $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I don't have much on this. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. Usually with the cash that I usually take my white uniform to the cleaners at least a couple of times throughout the semester just to get it cleaned and everything. I do wash it here, but it's just not like as nice and ironed and pressed like that. So I really enjoyed that. And it's, I think for a 3 set it's $20, and then for like a 2 set it's like $10 or something like that. So it's not bad. but I just can't be spending it all the time. So renewal is not going to get anything, but we have 100, 240, 60, 80, 85, and 90. I do have to get my card tag renewed next month, which is like in a couple of days. So that will be fun. Home is going to have $1, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, and 53. $53. We have not gotten our HOA bill yet, so I am patiently waiting on that. Vacation is going to be getting $1 as well. 1, 50, 60, 70, 80, 92. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So that's 1 and 2, 216. Which we will be heading to my bachelorette trip on August 13th. Yes, August 12th and 13th, maybe 13th. Whatever that Thursday is, we'll be leaving for Florida, which I am super excited. But I gotta get through school first. All right, so Dobby is going to be, not Dobby, Beauty's going to be getting 1. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Oh, not Dobby, Beauty. Okay, and then Dobby is actually going to be getting $1 as well. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, and 57. So $57 for Dobby. All right. So that is it. So 57, and we are going to be counting our wedding. Now I did just spend $600 again, I think, for the venue. So yeah. We're just chipping away at that balance. 2, 40, 60, 81. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'll be so excited when the wedding's over, so then I can put a lot of my money towards something else. Alright, so we have 1, 20, 40, 60, 82. 20, 40, 60, 83. 24, 40, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, and 76. So 76. 1, 2, and 3. 376, is that right? 1, 20, 40, 60, 82. 20, 40, 60, 83. Yeah. That's 376. Yep. $376. So I am going to be looking for flowers. I'm going to DIY my flowers because I don't need real flowers because they will die. So we are going to be getting fake flowers, and we are going to be DIYing that. My bridesmaids are going to be using like gold hoops going down the aisle with some flowers on it, and then I'm thinking about getting real flowers for mine, but I doubt I will. And then we got to make the boutonnieres. So that is pretty much it for the wedding for right now, and then we would just have to finish up the balance and everything. But anyways, that is it, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's been a while since I have done a cash envelope. Thank you again for coming over here and supporting me. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Shirley, Thrifty Asian. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I don't do these as often as I would like now because of school and everything, but I still do the 52-week challenge every Tuesday. So go ahead and watch those videos so you can be caught up with how much money we are saving with that. But anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.